Hand sanitizers refer to a group of products made by combining water with at least 60% of either ethanol or isopropyl alcohol for the purpose of disinfection. Disinfection refers to the removal of bacteria and most other types of microbes from whatever surface the hand sanitizer is used on. In a nutshell, hand sanitizer uses alcohol as the primary and active ingredient to kill bacteria on the surface of your hands. However, while hand sanitizer can be effective, it isn't the best solution for every situation, and it's important to understand how hand sanitizer works so you can use it properly. If soap and water aren't available and your hands aren't covered in visible dirt or grease, hand sanitizers are a quick and effective way to clean them. Alcohol is a key component in most hand sanitizers. Alcohols are organic molecules that are made up of carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. Ethanol is the chemical found in alcoholic beverages, and it is the chemical that most people think of when they hear the word alcohol. Propanol and isopropanol are two other alcohols that are commonly used in sanitizers because, like ethanol, they are highly soluble in water. Alcohols destroy disease-causing microbes or pathogens by breaking apart proteins, destroying cells into pieces, or disrupting the cell's metabolism. Sanitizers destroy the virus's outer coats, including coronavirus. However, they are not effective against viruses that do not have these coatings, like the norovirus, which causes stomach flu. And for bacteria, sanitizers work by disrupting their cell membrane. Pathogens can be killed by sanitizers containing as little as 30% alcohol, and the effect increases as the alcohol concentration rises. According to research, alcohol kills a wider range of bacteria and viruses when the concentration exceeds 60%, and it works faster as the alcohol's concentration rises. However, the effectiveness of alcohol appears to peak around a concentration of 90–95%. Another advantage of alcohol in sanitizers is that the bacteria it kills do not develop resistance to it, so it retains its effectiveness over time. But ethanol in sanitizers is so powerful that in high concentrations, it is more effective than regular or antibacterial soap at killing three types of disease-causing bacteria: Escherichia coli, Serratia marcescens, and Staphylococcus saprophyticus. Sanitizers should be used and promoted everywhere, from homes to workplaces, because they help in the improvement of people's health by killing all harmful bacteria and viruses.